Namaskar and good morning. Heartiest welcome to one and all my dear students to the third episode of Sunday special math magic session. As all we know, this program is brought to you by Shamit Ray Foundation. Shamit Ray Foundation as always believes in the equality of education, extending the financial supports to the needy and meritorious students to achieve their academic and career goals. In the last two episodes, all you have learned the magical and the quickest method of solving the multiplication and the square problem of any numbers. I am sure all of you have loved it. As like earlier, today we have with us the creator of Century Minds, the thinker, the man behind the thousands and lakhs of real life success stories, the eminent educationist of India, the legendary Professor Shamit Ray, Chairman, Adamas International School and Adamas World School. With this note, without any further delay, welcome you sir and request you to take us through the magical journey of mathematics.
Good morning. Today is my third day of the mathematics class. Already we have started the how we can multiply in a quicker time, in a short way, and then also we have started another chapter, the method of squares. Today I will start with that, the method of square, because already we have done step 5. So today our target will be to complete the 12 steps. With the help of that 12 steps, we can solve any number of number of the square. So today I start from the step 1. Yes, step 1 already we have explained the process. This is the initial structure of that steps. Just we can change the symbol. Sorry. Right. So our problem, how we can solve these things? We can imagine like this is A, this is B, A dot B. We will start from the back side of that formations. First the B square, that is 2 square, that is 4, 2 into A into B, that is 3 into 2, that is 6, 12, 1 in hand, and the A square, that is 9 plus 1, that is 10. The range of applications of the step 1 was from 11 to 99. Right? It is clear. Now we will go for the step 2. Step 2, I am considering all of you already you had joined the first and second class, so I think it will not be problem to follow today's class. So step 2, my base is 100, right? So 106 whole square. How much more this number than 100? That is 6. 6 whole square, that is 36. Original number 106 plus 6, that is 112. This is my answer. So what is the formula? Extra whole square, because my base is 100. I am thinking how much more than the 100. That is my number 106. So 6 is more than 100. 6 whole square, that is 36, right? And original number 106 plus 6, 112. So the formula original number plus extra into B plus in hand, right? I think this is a B. That means when my base will be 100, B equal to 1. When my base will be 200, B equal to 2. Already I explained the last class. I think, and plus in hand 112 whole square. How much more than 100? That is 12. 12 whole square, 144. That is 44. 1 in hand. Original number 112 plus 12, 124 plus 1, 12544. This is the formula. The application range of step 2, 1012125. Right? This is the step 3. Step 3. Yes. 96 whole square. We can solve this problem, this number, with the help of the step 1, b square 2ab and a square. But at the same time, now we can solve considering the base 100. How much less than 100? That is 4. So we will make the whole square of the 4, that is 16, right? Original number 96, how much less? That is 4. That is 4. We will deduct 4 from the original number. 96 minus 4, that is 92. My formula is reduction whole square, and this original number minus reduction plus in hand into b. When my base will be 100, b equal to 1. When the base 200, b equal to. Actually, already I have explained this method in the last 2 classes. So I am now in the fastest speed, as we have to complete today the method of square, right? That is step 3. The application range is 75 to 99, right? 88 whole square. How much less than 100? That is 12. We have to make the whole square of the 12. 144, that is 44. 1 in hand. Original number 88 minus 12, 76 plus 1, 77. This is the formula. Original minus reduction into base plus in hand. And this is step 4. Next, step 4. Already I had explained step 4. In case of 51 to 59, we will use the step 4, right? So 56 whole square. This is my right hand number, and this is the left hand number. We will make the square of the right hand numbers, that is 36. 6 whole square, that is 36. Then we will make the square. We will make the square of the left hand numbers, and we will add the right hand numbers. 5 whole square, that is 25 plus 6, 31. The formula, right hand square and this left hand number plus right hand. 52 whole square, right? 04 and 5 whole square, that is 25 plus 2, 27. 54 whole square. Right hand square 16 and left hand square 25 plus 4, that is 29. 2916. So right hand square and left hand square plus right hand. And the step 5. Right? Step 5, that is 35 whole square, 45 whole square, 95 whole square, 125 whole square, 135 whole square. We can use the step 5 when the numbers in the unit place should be 5. This is 5, right? The characteristic of the number, the unit digits of that number should be 5. Then we can use the step 5. Right hand square, 5 whole square, 25. 3 into next immediate number. 3, the next immediate number is 4. We will multiply 4 into 3, that is 12. This is my answer, right? Right hand square 25. Next immediate number of 4, we know that is a 5. We will multiply 4 and 5, that is 20. This is the answer. 25. Next immediate number of 9, that is 10. 9 into 10, that is 90. This is my answer. 25, right? Next immediate number of 12, that is 13. We have to calculate 12 into 13. 3 into 2, 6, and 5, 156, right? 12 into 13 straight, 3 into 2 6, cross 5 and 1. Already we have done this process in multiplication in step 1, right? 25 and 13 into 14, 3 into 2 4, 3 into 2 2, 4 3 7 plus 1 1 8 2 2 5. Actually I am trying to visualize the two numbers 13 into 14 in front of my eye, and 13 into 14 3 into 4, that is 12, 4 3 7 plus 1 8 and 1, that is 1 8 2 2 5. The formula of the step 5, right hand is a square and this left hand number into left hand number plus 1, right? This left hand number into left hand number plus 1, this is my formula, right? So step 5. Now today, before starting the new step, that is step 6, so I will give you the answer of the last problems of the homework. The problem was, the last problem, homework problem was the 43 into 94, the answer 4042, right? Try to correct the answers. I think all of you have done the homework. Number 2 problem was 83 into 96, 7968. The problem 3 was 87 into 36, the answer 3132. Step 4. Problem number 4, 324 into 216, 69984, answer. Problem number 5, 4232 into 3231, answer 13673592. I'll repeat the answers of the problem: 13673592. Problem number 6, 6243 into 3223, multiplication of 4 digit by the 4 digit, answer 20121189. Problem number 7, 4321 multiplied by 0322, answer 1391362. Problem number 8, multiplications of the 3 digit by the 2 digit. We have to follow the method of 3 digit into 3 digit, but just we have to put a 10 in front of the 2 digit numbers. The problem 234 into 36, answer 8424. Number 9 problem, 94 whole square, 8836. My base is 6, my base is 100. How much less? That is 6. 6 whole square 36. Original number 94 minus 6, 88. Answer 8836. Problem number 10, 207 whole square, answer 94249. Problem number 11, 207 whole square, 42849. Problem number 12, 313 whole square, answer 97969. Problem number 13, 235 whole square, answer 55225. Problem number 14, 205 whole square, answer 42025. Problem number 15, 92 whole square, 8464. Problem number 16, 88 whole square, answer 7744. Okay. So again, I will repeat the answers in the quicker time. Problem number 1, answer 4042. Problem number 2, 7968. Problem number 3, answer 3132. Problem number 4, answer 69984. Problem number 5, answer 13673592. Problem number 6, answer 20121189. Problem number 7, answer 1391362. Problem number 8, answer 8424. Problem number 9, 94 whole square 8836. Problem number 10, 307 whole square 94249. Problem number 11, 207 whole square, answer 42849. Problem number 12, 313 whole square, answer 97969. Problem number 13, 235 whole square, answer 55225. Problem number 14, 205 whole square, answer 42025. Answer number 15, 92 whole square 8464, and problem number 16, 7744. So next we will go for the step 6, right? Because today we have to complete the 12 to 13 steps. With the help of that 12 and 13 steps, we can solve the any number square, right? So step 6, already I explained the last classes also. Step 6, 206 whole square, right? Yes, in this case my base will be the 200. How much more? That is 6 whole square 36, right? My formula 106 whole square. Try to remember these things. There is a base 100. How much more? That is 6 whole square, that is 36, right? There is x6 extra whole square, right? In case of 106, how much more? That is 6112, right? But in this case, my formula original number plus extra into b plus in hand, right? In case of 100 base, my value of b is 1. So original number 106 plus 6 into 1 plus in hand, so 0. That is 112 plus 0, that is 112. In case of the 200, so 206 plus 6, 212 into 2, original number 206 plus 6, 212 into 2, 424. This is the answer. 212 whole square, right? It is clear. My base should be the 200. So how much more? That is 12 whole square, 144, 44, 1 in hand. Original number 212 plus 12, 224 into 2. As the base is 200, it should be multiplied by the 2. 224, that is 448 plus 1, 449. This is answer. 212 plus 12 into 2, right? 224 into 2, that is 448, right? And plus 1, that is 449. This is the fundamental formula of the square. So with the help of that step 6, we can solve. The application range should be 2012 225. Application range with the help of the step 6, that is 21226. Similarly, we can solve the 304 whole square, right? When 106 whole square or the numbers between the range between 101 124, my base equal to 100. In case of base b equal to 1, when 206 whole square, in that case my base is 200, right? The application range should be 2012 225. that case base 200, in this case b equal to 2. So in case of 300, my base is 300. How much more? That is 4 whole square, that is 16. Original number 304 plus 4, 308 into 300 into 3, base is 300, so b equal to 3. 308 into 3, 300 into 3, 900, 8 into 3, 24, 924, this is the answer, right? So same thing is happening in case of the 100 and the 200, only we are changing the base because the number 304 is near to the 300 numbers. Again, in this case the application range 301 to 325. Right. Now step 7. Step 7 similar to step 6. How it is possible? Yes, 196 whole square, my base is 200. How much less is 4 whole square, that is 16. Reduction whole square, what is the original number? 196 minus 4, that is 192. How much base? b equal to 2 into 2, right? 2 into 2, that is 4. 9 into 2, that is 18, into 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 384. That is the 96 minus 4. 96 minus 4, that is 192. 192 into 2, we can make in that way. 200 into 2, that is 400. Instead of 192, you are considering the 200. So how much less should be? There is a difference of 200 and 100, 192, that is 8. 8 into 2, that is 16. 400 minus 16, that is 384, right? So we can take the case in that way, both 192 into 2 or 192, we can make the 200 into 2, that is 400, and 8 into 2, that is 16. 400 minus 16, 384, right? So again the application range of the step 7, it should be 175 to 199. In that way you can solve 296 whole square, right? So my base is 300. How much less? That is 4, that is 16. 294, 296 minus 4, that is 292. 292 into 3, as your base is 300. So 300 into 3, that is 900, and 8 is less. 8 into 3, that is minus 24. So 876. Your answer is 876. Your calculation should be in that way. Your application range 275 to 299. Yes. Now the step 8. Step 8. Now it is a general questions. When we are considering the 100, so b equal to 1. When we are considering the base 200, b equal to 2. When we are considering the 296, the base is 300. So in that way we can consider also the base 50. Obviously when the base is 100, b equal to 1. When the base 200, b equal to 2. When the base 300, b equal to 3. It is quite natural when the base will 50, b equal to half. How we can solve? We can apply these things. Yes, 52 whole square. We can apply the step with the help of the step 51 to 59, we can solve the problem with the help of step 1, b square, 2ab and a square. Similarly, we can consider the base 50. How much more than the 50? That is the 2, 0, 4, 2 whole square, 0, 4. Original number 52 plus 2, 54 into half. Half of 54, that is 27. This is my answer, right? So 2704. 56 whole square. My base is 50. How much more? That is 6. 6 whole square, 36. Right? Original number 56 plus 6, 62 into half, that is 31. This is my answer. So this way we can solve 51 to 75. 54 whole square. This is 50 my base. So how much more? That is 4 whole square, that is 16. Original number 54 plus 4, 58 into half, that is 29. Right? Can you remember the step 4? This is the right hand number, this is the left hand numbers. Right hand square, 4 whole square, that is 16. Left hand square plus right hand. Left hand square, that is 25 plus 4, 29. So you can apply any of the steps, but the answer of that square of 54 should be the same, 2916 and 2916. So with the help of that step 8, we can solve 51 to 75.
Thank you so much, sir. It's an amazing journey indeed. And dear students, I think we have to take a small break. We'll come back soon after the break, and stay tuned with Chetna TV till then. Welcome back. You are watching Sunday Special Math Magic episode 3 with Professor Samit Ray. Students, by now I am sure you all could understand math is not a matter of panic. This magical journey of math will give you more confidence to understand, and it's really interesting and magical too, isn't it? So now I request sir to teach us few more tricks and techniques of magical maths.
Yes. Before starting the step 9, just I have a request to all the teachers and the guardians and the students also who are watching the program, because you are the student of a particular school's particular class. So when the teachers will teach in the natural way of the multiplications or the method of square, you have to follow that square method and the multiplications, the natural way. Generally the teachers teach in a natural way, right? So yes, this method also will help you when you will pass from the class 12 or after the completions of the undergraduate, when you will sit for the All India exams. So this method will help you to solve the problems in a quicker way, in a quicker time, because after class 12 you will sit for the All India exams. The time is a constraint. You have to solve 200 problems within 120 minutes. So how you will manage the time? With that respect, this process will help to you. So yes, in your class or when you solve the problem in the classrooms or the examination hall, you try to follow the natural methods which is provided by you the teachers, right? So I will start the step 9. Step 9 is 48 whole square, right? 42 whole square. We can solve this method, that problem with the help of that step 1, right? A dot v whole square, that is a square dot 2ab dot b square. We have to we have to start the steps from the back side, right? This is a, this is b. B square, 2 square, that is 4. 2 into A into B, 4 into 2, that is 8, and double, and 16, 1 in hand, and 6 A squared, 16 plus 1, that's 17, 1768. In that way, with the help of that AV method, we can solve also 48 whole square. But in this case, we will consider the 50 base. How much less than the 50? The original number is 2 whole square, that is 04. Original number 48, and then how much less? That is 2. 48 minus 2, that is 46. So answer is 4604. In that similar way, you can solve also that is 42 whole square, right? So 42, of course, that is 4604. We avoid into half because there is 50 base. 48 minus 2, that is 46, into half, that is 23, right? So your answer, correct answer will be 2304. In that way, we can solve also the 42 whole square, that is a 50, right? How much less? That is 8 whole square, that is 64. Original number 42 minus 8, right? Minus 8, 42 minus 8, that is 34, into half, that is 17, 1764. Either we can apply the step 1 AV method or the base 50. The answer of 42 whole square will be the same. That is the answer, 1764 and 1764. So application range, the step 9 should be 26 to 50 or 49, right? Yes. Now step 10. In case of 106 whole square, base 100, b equal to 1, right? 204 whole square, in case of that, base 200, b equal to 2. Yes. In case of 196 whole square, base 200, v equal to 2. In case of 54 whole square, base 50, b equal to half. Okay. In case of 48 whole square, base 50, b equal to half. In case of 152 whole square, my base will be 150, b equal to 1 and half, that is 3 by 2, right? This is the similar. Okay. So 152 whole square, my base 150, how much more? That is 2 whole square, that is 04. Original number 152 plus extra into base 300, 150, that is 3 by 2, plus in hand, 152 plus 2, 154 into 2, 154 into 3 by 2, 2 and 77, 77 into 3, 7 into 3, 1, and 7 into 3, 21 plus 2, 23104. This is the answer, right? In that, with the help of that step 10, we can solve 151 to 175. Right? So step 11. Step 11. Right? In case of the step 11 also, we can solve 148 whole square. Yes, in this case we cannot consider the base 100 as how much more than 100, 148, that is 48 whole square. We are not able to answer a 48 whole square. So in that case, because we know from 11 whole square to 25 whole square, right? In this case our base should be 150. How much less? The original number, that is 2. 2 whole square, that is 04. Right? So original number 148 minus 2, that is 146 into 3 by 2. As the base is 150, if the base is 100, b equal to 1. If the base equal to 200, so base b equal to 2. When the base will be 150, my base will be 1.5, that is 3 by 2. So 2, 73 into 3, 3 into 3, 9, and 7 into 3, 21. My answer is 2104. My application range, with the help of that step 11, we can solve 125 to 150. Right? In case of step 12. (252) whole square. What will be the base? My base will be 250. How much more? That is 2, that is 04. Right? Original number 252 plus 2, 254 into this 2.5, 250, that is 2.5, that is 5 by 2, that is 5 by 2. So 2, 1, 7 and 7 into 5. This number should be 177 into 5. The application range should be 251 to 275. Right? Yes, with the help of that step 12, we will be able to answer or the solve any number, any square of the number. Right? Now step 1. Just I will go for a details after finishing the step 12. Now we will try to understand that these 12 steps will help you to solve all the square of the numbers. How it is possible? Because the first class already 11 into 11, I told you 11 into 11, that is 121. 12 into 12, 144. 13 into 13, 169. 14 into 14, 196. 15 into 15, 225. 16 into 16, 256. 17 into 17, 289. 18 into 18, 324. 19 into 19, 361. You know, 20 into 20, that is 400. 21 into 21, 441. 22 into 22, 484. 23 into 23, 529. 24 into 24, 576. And 25 into 25, 625. Right? So these are the numbers you have to memorize. Right? So now you can take the notes. Yes. Step 1. Application range is 11 to 99. Clear? Step 2. Application range, that is 101 to 125. Step 3. Your application range 75 to 99. Step 4. Application range 51 to 75. Step 5. Application range, of course there is a one criteria, that numbers of the unit pairs should be 5. That is the speciality of the step 5. And the step 6, right, whatever may be the numbers on the basics of the base 200 and 300, we can solve 2012, 225, 3012, 325 and 4012 so on, right, up to 1000, or we can say 1025. With the help of that step 7 we can solve, right, 175 to 200, 275 to 300 and 375 to so on, right. What is the gap between that? Already you can solve 1012 to 125 and we can solve 175 to 200. Now what is the gap between that? 125 to 175, that is 50. So applying the step 8, when we are considering the base 150, so we can apply with the help of the step 9 or 8 and 9, we can solve how much less? That is 125 to 150, and how much more than 150? That is 151 to 175, 175. That is 175. There is 150 and there is 175, and this is the range from 125 to 125 to 175. This is the answer of these questions, right? So similarly, with the help of that we can use 225 to 250. With the we can consider the 250 base, right? We can solve 251 to 275. We can consider the 350 base and we can consider the 450 base with the help of that step 12. So all the numbers we can solve the square of that numbers. I think this is the steps. With the help of that 12 steps we can solve any numbers of that square, and that is the whole methods. Already I have explained how we can solve the square of any numbers, right? So I think today I'll go for the revisions, the steps. Yes, so you will try to go through the whole note already you have taken, right? Step 1, that is application range 11 to 99, that is AB method. So we know we will start from the back side or the back side of the formula, B square 2AB and A square, right? Step 2, my basis is 100. How much? 106. How much more than 100? That is 6. Extra whole square, that is 36 whole square. Original number 106 plus 6, 112. As the base is 100, the value of B is 1. So there is no require that multiplied by 112 into 1, because the same result will be. So we can avoid the multiplications by the 1, because as the result will be the same, right? So original number 106, how much more? That is 6 whole square, 36, and the original number 106 plus 6, 112. But you have to remember my base is B, that is 100, B equal to 1. When my base will be the 200, B equal to be 2. But the original formula, original number plus extra into B plus in hand. What will be the application range? It is 101 and 125, 1012, 125. Another step 3. Same thing will be happen. my base is the 100. In this case we will consider how much less the numbers 96 then 100, how much less the 96 then the 100, that is the 4. The reductions whole square, that is 4 whole square, that is 16, right? And the original number 96 and how much less, that is 4. Original number minus reduction, original number minus reduction plus into base plus in hand. The 96 minus 4, that is 92. As the base is 100 into V, so 96 minus 4, that is 92. 92 into 1 will be the same number. So in this case we can avoid the multiplied by the 1, but the number should be 92. So application range 75 to 99. That is step 4. Step 4, we can use the 51 to 59. The right hand square, that is 36 whole square, that is 6. Right hand number whole square, that is 36, and the left hand square plus right hand. Left hand square plus right hand. I will make the square of the left hand number. The left hand number here is the 5 whole square, and the right hand number, that is 6. 25 plus 6, that is 31. My answer is 3136. In that we can solve also 54 whole square, because the range of that application of the step 4 is from the 51 to 59. Right hand square 4 whole square, that is 16. Left hand square plus right hand 5 whole square, that is 25 plus 4, 2916. Application range 51 to 59. There is a step 5. Step 5, the application, it is not the range, it depends on the presence of unit numbers should be the 5, right? 35 whole square. Right hand square 5 whole square, that is 25, and left hand square, left hand number into next immediate number. Left hand numbers, that is the 3, next immediate number of 3, that is the 4. The 4 into 3, that is the 12. Next immediate number of 4, that is 5. 5 into 4, that is 20. Right hand number square and the left hand square, left hand number into left hand number plus 1. The step 6. Right, step 6, when we consider the base 200, b equal to 2, right? Always you will try to compare with the formula of the step, that is 106. Only we are changing the base. When the base is 100, b equal to 1. When the base is 200, b should be 2, right? This is the only change of the 200 base when we will consider the 200 base. So 212 whole square, 212 whole square, my base is 200. How much more that 212, that is 12. 12 whole square, 44, right? 1 in hand. Original number 212 plus 12, 224 into 2. 224 into 2, that is 448 plus 1, 44944. This is the step 6. And obviously the application range with the help of the step 6 will be 201 to 225. In case of the base 300, we can apply with the help of the step 6, we can solve the problem with the help of the step 6, 301 325. Okay, so in case of the 304 whole square, the same thing, we are considering the 300 base. How much more? That is 4 whole square, that is 16. The original number 304 plus 4, that is 308 into 3, right? So when we will multiply just 308 into 3, we will consider 300 into 3, that is 900. 8 into 3, that is 24. 900 plus 24, 924. That my answer will be 92416. Similarly, we can apply these methods with the range of 301 to 324. Right? Right. Step 7. Step 7 is 200 base, but how much less? 200, 196, that is 4. Reduction whole square, that is 16. Right? How much less? That is 4. 4 whole square, 16. Original number 196 minus 4, 192 into 2, right? because your base is 200, never try to multiply by 1, because this one sometime drive you to do the wrong thing into 1, right? But your base is 200, your base is not the 100, so there's no question of multiplication by the 1. Your base is the 200, so into 2, 192 into 2, that is 384. The application range with the help of the step 7, you can solve the 175 to 199. And that is step 8, or the application of the step 7. My base is 300, how much less? That is 4 whole square, that is 16, right? So 296 minus 4, that is 292. 292 into 292 into 3, right? You can make the 300 into 3, 900, 900 minus 24, that is 876. 876, this is the answer. Right, now the step 8, the similar thing, that we can consider also 50 base. We can consider the base 100, then the b equal to 1, that is we will multiply by the 1. When we consider the base 200, b equal to 2, we will multiply by the 2. Similarly, we can consider the base 50, so v equal to half, so we will multiply it by the half, that is the original number plus extra, and then half of that numbers, that is multiplications of the half. So 56 whole square, we can consider the 50 base, how much more? That is 6, that is 36, and the original number 56 plus 6, 62 into half, that is half of the 62, that is 31. Answer is 3136, right? And step 9, similarly we can consider the 50 base. How much less the 50? There's 48 the numbers here, so 2 is the reduction part, so 2 whole square, that is 04, because every time there should be the 2 place for the putting the values or the square of the extra or the reductions number, that is 04. So original number 48 minus 2, the answer should be 404, but into half, that is the 46 into half, that is 23. So mind it, we have to multiply by the half, right? So 46 into half, that is the 23. Similarly, we have 42 whole square. How much less? That is 8 whole square, that is 64. 42 minus 8, that is 34. Half of that 34, that is 70. As answer is 1764. 1764.
So we will take a short break, and just after a short break, utterly short break, we'll come back again. And till then, stay tuned with Chetna TV. Don't go away. Welcome back. You are watching the Sunday Special Math Magic episode 3 with Professor Sumit Ray. This is a wonderful journey and so far. So 12 steps that we have learned. Few more things are still left, and I would like to, without wasting my time, I would like to request sir to take the other steps ahead.
Yes, now we consider the step 10, right? So in case of the step 10, already we are working, right? That is step 10, that is 151, the 175, that application range, and the base is 150. Base is 150, so how much more than 152? Then the 150, that is 2 whole square, that is 04, right? And then 152 plus 2, how much more? That is 2. 152 plus 2, that is 154. That is 154 into 3 by 2, that is 2, 154, that is 77, into 3, that is 23104. The application range of 151 to 175 with the help of the step 10. Yes, as similarly we can apply also the step 11. In this case also our base is 150. Our base is 150, not 100, because some students can do these things. The 148 as there's a 1, so they can try to consider the 100. So how much more? That is 48. So we are not able to the square of the 48 whole square. Yes, so we have to consider 150 the base. So how much less than 150? That is 2 whole square, that is 04, right? So 148 the original number, and how much less? That is 146 into 3 by 2. As a 100, when we consider the base 100, b equal to 1. When we consider the base 200, b equal to 2. When we consider the base 50, that is a half. When we consider the base 150, that is 3 by 2, that is 1.5. That is 146 into 3 by 2, that is 173. 73 into 3, that is 219. This is the answer. Application range with the help of the step 11, that is 125 to 150. That is the step 12. So now we can consider the base 250 also. So 250 base should be 5 by 2. When we will consider the 350, that will be equal to 7 by 2, right? And 450, so 9 by 2. So we can apply these numbers. That is step 12 from 251 to 275, right? 5 by 2. Right, this is the numbers, this is the table. Already you are very much aware about this square of the number. 11 into 11, that is 121, and 12 into 12, that is 144, 13 into 13, 169, 14 into 14, 196, and 15 into 15, 225, and 16 into 16, 256, 17 into 17, 289, 18 into 19, 324, and 19 into 19, 361, right? Yes, this is the table, how you can use all the steps, and you can solve the problem from 1 to 1000, right? 1 to 1000. With the help of the step 12, you can solve any number square. Step 1, the range 11 to 99, and step 2, 101 to 125, step 3, 75 to 99, and step 4, 51 to 75, and step 5, yes, the numbers, the unit digits should be 5 if you want to apply the step 5. And with the help of the step 6, you can solve 201 to 225, and 301 to 325, and 401 to 1025. And with the help of the step 7, you can solve the 175 to 200, and 275 to 300, and the 375 onward. With the help of the step 8, you can solve 125 to 150, and 151 to 175. And that is the only purpose, that using of the 12 steps we can solve all the square of the numbers, right? So just we have some time, so just we can revise the method of multiplication. Today we will not go for the new chapters. Step 1 of multiplications, just we will go for the revision. 43 and 22, right? There is a first column, that is straight, 3 into 2, 6, and the second column, my pictures will be the cross, and we will multiply diagonally, and we will add 3 into 2, that is 6, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 in hand, makes straight, 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 4, 6, right? And step 2. Uh, 24 into 52, right? Step 1, F to F, far to far. Number 2, N to N, and F to F, and add and number 3 F to F. So what will be the starting point? The unit digit of the left hand numbers will be the starting point. 4 into 2, that is 8. Far to far, that is step 1. Number 2, near to near, 4 into 5, that is 20, and 2 into 2, 4. 20 plus 4, that is 24. 2 in hand, and 5 into 2, 10 plus 2, that is 12. This is the second step, and that is the third step. Answer 1, 2, 4, 8. Step 2. 52 into 31. Starting point, far to far, 2 into 1. 2 into 1, that is 2. Near to near, 3 into 2, 6. 5 into 1, 5. 11. 1 in hand, and next 5 into 3, 15 plus 1, that is 16. 1, 6, 1, 2. That is step 3. Step 3. When we consider the first column, the operation should be straight. When we consider the second column, the figure should be the cross. We will multiply the diagonally and we will add. When we consider the third columns, the picture should be cross and straight. The cross means we will multiply the extreme corners numbers diagonally and then add and then straight and plus. After considering the three columns, we will omit the first columns, then the cross, and then the straight, right? The first column 2 into 2, that is 2. Second column, when we consider the second column, the figure should be 2 into 2, 4, and 3 into 1, that is 3. 4 plus 3, that is 7. When we consider the third column, the picture should be cross and the straight. 4 into 1, 4. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 4, that is 10. 3 into 2, 6. 16. 1 in hand. After considering the third columns, we will omit these things. 3 into 3, that is 9. 4 into 2, 8. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 1, 8. 1 in hand. 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, that is 13. Answer 1, 3, 8, 6 and 7, 2. And that is the step 4. 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. So when we consider the first column, the picture should be straight. When we consider the second column, the picture should be the cross. When we consider the third column, the picture should be the cross and straight. When you consider the fourth column, that is cross and cross. That means bigger cross, extreme corner cross, and then the mid cross, right? And after considering the four columns, we will omit the first column, that is cross and straight. Then we will omit the second column, that is the cross, and that is the straight. Straight. 3 into 1, that is 3. That is cross. 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. 1 in hand. Next, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 6, right? 20 plus 1, 21. 2 in hand. Next, 9, 2, 11, 8, 19 and 6, 25 plus 2, 27. 2 in hand, right? Like 3 into 2, 6, and 3 into 2, 6, 12, 8, 20 plus 2, 22. 2 in hand. 6 plus 8, 14 plus 2, 16. 1 in hand. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Answer 7, 6, 2, 7, 1, 1, 3. And now step 5. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Just we will put the 0 here. When you consider the first column, the picture will be straight. When you consider the second column, the picture will be the cross. When you consider the second, third columns, the picture should be, yes, 3 into 0, that is 0. We can skip the steps. After considering the third column, we will omit the first column, right, and then the straight. That means 3 into 1, that is 3. 6 plus 2, that is 8, right? 3 into 1, 3, 4, that is 7, and 3 into 2, that is 6. Answer 6, 7, 8, 3. Actually, when there's a 0, we can jump the steps, we can skip the steps, and with the help of that skip, we can save 2 to 3 seconds, which will help me in case of the competitive examination to crack the first. And that is the step 6, right? 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1, 2. You can put here 0, straight, right? Then the cross, straight, then right. After considering the fourth column, we will omit these things, right. We can omit the second columns and then straight. That is the step 6, right? Okay, so next we will go for the cubic root of any numbers, but today I will not solve. I will give some homework, so you can take the note of that method of the cubic root in the any numbers, cubic root of the any numbers. Actually, there's a numbers 327, that is 3. Cubic root of 64, all of you aware about this, that is 4, and cubic root of 125, that is the 5. But cubic root of 375762, we are not aware of these things, so we can solve the help of that some numbers. We can solve the numbers of the cubic root of that big digits also. So yes, 10 cube equal to 1000, 20 cube 8000, 8000, right. 30 cube 27,000, because only we are doing 3 cubes of that 3. 30 cube, 3 cube of that 3, 3 into 3, that is 9 into 3, 27, that's right. 40 cube 64,000, 50 cube 60 cube 216 whole cube, 70 cube 343 000, right? So next, when we will take the classes, we will continue the process, the cubic root of any numbers. So today I will give you some homework. Take the homework. In case of the method of square, 56 whole square, problem number 1. Problem number 2, 197 whole square. Problem number 3, 298 whole square. Problem number 4, 392 whole square. Problem number 5, 212 whole square. Problem number 6, 311 whole square. Problem number 8, 513 whole square. Problem number 9, 97 whole square. Problem number 10, 58 whole square. Problem number 11, 62 whole square. Problem number 12, 46 whole square. Problem number 13, 296 whole square. Problem number 14, 53 whole square. Problem number 15, 225 whole square. Problem number 16, 315 whole square. Problem number 17, 612 whole square. Problem number 18, 599 whole square. Problem number 19, 162 whole square. Problem number 20, yes, in case of 162 whole square, so how you can solve this 62 whole square? When we consider the base 50, how much more? The 62, that is 12. 12 whole square, that is 144, 4, 4, 1 in hand. How much more? 62 plus 12, 74, into half, 37, right? Plus 1, 38. Always you have to consider, first you have to multiply by the 1, 2, 3, 4 or the half, and then plus in hand, right? So in that case 162, so my base should be 150. So how much more? That is 12, 12 whole square. So original number 162 plus 12 into, that is 3 by 2, right? So similarly 252 whole square, that is 5 by 2, 5 by 2, that is 252 plus 2, 252 plus 2 into 5 by 2, as my base is 250. Okay, that's this 20 problems you have to solve. Then I am giving some homework for the multiplications also. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. 5, 2, 6, 6, 2, 3. 94 into 32. Problem number 1, problem number 2, problem number 3. 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6. Number 5, 6, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Number 7, 8, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. Problem number 8, 6, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. And problem number 9, 4, 2, 3, 4 into 3, 2, 2. Just you have to put here 0, and you have to follow the multiplications of 4 digits by the 4 digits, and the 10, 3, 2, 3 into 1, 1, 2. Yes, we can solve this problem with the help of the step 2, that is far to far, near to near, and far to far, and far to far. But there is another step, the far to near to far, and far to far, and near to near. But it is so complicated that you have to take care of this step with the help of the step 3, multiplications of the 3 numbers with the 3 numbers. It will be easier for you. So yes, we are trying to learn the different methods, but our main focus, main target, how we can reduce the time. So yes, we will know the steps. At the same time, we will apply all the steps where the numbers, where the time will be taken short. We will apply only this method. So yes, during the last 3 classes, we have learned too many processes, too many steps. But what is our target? Our main target is to maintain the time, and we have to solve all the problem in the quicker way in a short time. So maybe you can apply the different steps in the different numbers. There's no restriction, there's no limitation. You have to solve that particular number with the help of that particular steps. But only your target is how you can reduce, how you can manage the time in the examinations hall. And this is the motto, and this is the target. Yes, after taking the 3 classes, now we will take some rest, we will take some time. When I will be available again, I will come back, and because I always enjoy the classes with maths. At the same time, all the students, at the same time the guardians are very interested to know the maths process, because always I believe that if the background of the maths or the English of a student is very strong, in later half he may be the student of the science, arts or the commerce, but he should be bright in any stream, in the case of the undergraduate and the master degree and the PhD levels. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time to stop here. I am sure that by now all students have start playing with numbers. It is a magical way. It is a fantastic way to learn this mathematics, and this mathematics, this magical way, is a complement to the contemporary way of learning the mathematics. So you need to do a lot of practice, as sir saying that you need to do a lot of practice, make yourself ready for tomorrow's and your future. Till then, stay at home, do well and do a lot of practice, do your homework, and we will be coming back in the sooner time. Till then, thank you so much. Namaskar.